Hey everyone, ready to dive into the exciting world of starting your own barbershop? Picture this. You're running a fresh barbershop in a busy neighborhood. You kick things off with a grand opening, and over the next few months, word spreads about your killer cuts. By mid-year, you're seeing 15 to 20 customers a day, and your profits are climbing. Each haircut is $25, and after covering rent, utilities, supplies, wages, and marketing, you're pocketing more and more each month. By the end of the year, you're looking at a sweet profit of around $76,450. It's going to be a wild ride, but with some guidance and a lot of motivation, you can make it happen even on a tight budget. So let's break down what your journey will look like step by step. Step 1. Conduct market research. First things first, know your market. Who's your target audience? Think about their age, style, and income. Check out local barber shops, see what they're doing right and what they're missing. Use tools like Google Trends or visit local spots to get a feel of what's popular. You can even consider it research when you get a haircut at every shop in town. Step 2. Create a lean business plan. Now onto your business plan. Keep it simple but cover all bases. Executive summary. A quick overview of your business idea. Company description. Explain your barbershop's vibe. Market analysis. Insights from your research. Organization and management. Your business structure, services offered. List what you'll offer from haircuts to beard trims. Marketing and sales strategy. Focus on low-cost, high-impact strategies. Financial projections. Budget, expected costs, and revenue projections. There are free templates online, like from the SBA, Small Business Administration website, to help you out. Step 3. Choose a business name. Pick a catchy, memorable name. Make sure it's unique. Check domain availability on sites like GoDaddy or Namecheap for your future website. Step 4. Register your business. You'll need to register your business with your state. It's usually a simple online form on your state's Secretary of State website. Decide on a legal structure like a sole proprietorship or an LLC. An LLC is great for protecting your personal assets. Step 5. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Get your barber's license and a business license. Look up your state's barber licensing board online for details. Also, check local government websites for any health and safety permits you might need. Step 6. Get an employer identification number or EIN. You'll need an EIN for tax purposes. It's free and easy to get on the IRS website. Step 7. Determine your budget. List all startup costs, equipment, rent, permits, supplies, and marketing. Estimate your monthly expenses. Use tools like Mint or QuickBooks to help manage your finances. Step 8. Secure financing. Use personal savings, consider small business loans, or ask friends and family for help. Websites like Kiva offer microloans specifically for small businesses. Step 9. Find an affordable location. Look for high-traffic areas but stay within your budget. Check out spaces on sites like LoopNet or Craigslist. Sharing a space with another business can also cut costs. Step 10. Lease negotiation. Negotiate with your landlord for favorable terms. Consider a shorter lease to minimize long-term commitment. It's okay to ask for concessions. Step 11. Design the shop on a budget. Be creative. Use cost-effective design options. Hunt for second-hand furniture and equipment on Facebook Marketplace or local thrift stores. Step 12. Purchase essential equipment. You don't need the fanciest gear to start. Get quality but affordable basics like clippers, scissors, and barber chairs. Sites like Barber Depot offer deals on professional tools. Step 13. Stock up on supplies. Buy in bulk to save money. Stock up on hair products, capes, towels, and cleaning supplies. Wholesale stores like Costco or online bulk suppliers can be lifesavers. Step 14. Hire barbers. Look for skilled barbers, maybe offer a commission basis to reduce fixed costs. Platforms like Indeed or even local community boards can help you find the right talent. Step 15. Training. Ensure consistent service quality by providing training. It can be informal but effective. Share your vision and standards with your team. Step 16. Create a marketing plan. Use social media to your advantage. Post regularly on Instagram and Facebook. Create a Google My Business listing so locals can find you easily. Step 17. Launch promotions. Offer grand opening discounts or partner with local businesses for cross-promotion. This creates buzz and attracts customers. Step 18. Set up a booking system. Use affordable booking software like Square Appointments or even a simple manual appointment book to keep things organized. Step 19. Implement a customer loyalty program. Reward repeat customers with discounts or free services after a certain number of visits. It's a great way to build a loyal customer base. Step 20. Ensure compliance with health and safety regulations. Keep everything clean and sterilized. Follow local health and safety guidelines. Regularly check in with your local health department for updates. Step 21. Track finances. Keep detailed records of income and expenses. Use accounting software like Wave or hire an affordable accountant to help you stay on top of your finances. Step 22. Customer feedback. Regularly ask for and act on customer feedback. Use it to improve your services and customer experience. Platforms like SurveyMonkey can help collect feedback easily. Step 23. Adjust and scale. Monitor your business performance. Adjust strategies as needed and think about scaling when it's financially viable. Maybe open a second location or expand your services. Remember, starting a business is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay motivated, be patient, and keep learning. Month-by-month financial breakdown. Month 1, grand opening. All right, in your first month, you're just getting started. So, let's say you have around 5 customers a day. With an average price per haircut at $25, your monthly revenue would be 5 customers per day times 30 days times $25, which equals $3,750. Now let's talk about your costs. Rent is $1,200, utilities are $300, supplies like hair products and capes are $200, employee wages are $2,000 assuming you've hired one part-time barber, and marketing is $300. So your total costs are $4,000. Profit? $3,750 minus $4,000 equals a loss of $250. So in your first month, you might see a small loss of $250, but that's totally normal. Month 2 to 3, building a customer base. As word spreads, more people are finding out about your shop. Let's up those numbers to 10 customers a day. With 10 customers a day, your monthly revenue would be 10 customers per day times 30 days times $25, which equals $7,500. Your costs will slightly increase. Utilities will be $350, making your total costs $4,550. That means you'll be making a solid profit of $2,950. Month 4 to 6, steady growth. Now things are picking up. You're seeing around 15 customers a day. Monthly revenue, 15 customers per day, times 30 days times $25 equals $11,250. Here are your costs. Rent, $1,200. Utilities, $400. Supplies, $400. Employee wages, $3,000. Let's assume you hired another part-time barber. Marketing, $150. Total costs, $5,150. Profit $11,250 minus $5,150. That's a sweet profit of $6,100 each month. Month 7 to 12, peak season. By now, you're the go-to barbershop in town. You're seeing around 20 customers a day. Monthly revenue, 20 customers per day, times 30 days times $25 equals $15,000. Let's assume your costs have increased to accommodate this influx of customers. Total costs, $6,250. That will make you a hefty $8,750 each month. Annual overview. Now let's sum it all up for the year. Total revenue from months 1 to 12, $142,500. Total cost for the year, $66,050. Total annual profit, $142,500. Minus $66,050 equals $76,450. Remember, these numbers can vary based on your location, pricing, and how well you manage your costs. But stay motivated, manifest, meditate, keep promoting your business, and continue providing top-notch service. You've got the skills and the hustle to make it big in the barber game. Go out there and make your barbershop the hottest spot in town. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you got value in this video and subscribe to get more step-by-step guides on how to start new, hot, new, and highly lucrative businesses in 2024.